Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a removable quick weave with the Outre sleek pressed hair. It comes with 3 bundles and a silk based closure. So I know you guys are like, what girl, a closure from the beauty supply? But girl, it's 100% legit. This is what it looks like. And so first you're going to want to get you some shower caps. This is my braiding pattern. It doesn't have to be perfect. It's just going to be under your wig. Yeah, I just braid it so that my hair will grow. And then I'm going to put these little shower caps on to protect my hair from the glue. And then I'm going to put my dome cap on, which is what I'm going to be putting the actual hair onto. I'm going to be starting with the 22-inch bundle, and yes, it's a lot of hair, girl. I was like, what? So basically what you're going to want to do is just measure how long you're going to need for the first piece, and then you're just going to want to cut to where you need. And then you're going to get you some glue. I'm going to use the 30-second Salon Pro glue, and then I'm just going to bunch my hair up so that I can see the whole track, and then add that glue onto the track. Now I'm just gluing that piece of hair onto where I just measured. As you can see, I'm going to stretch it across my head and then press it down to make sure that it's secure. Now I'm using my Pump It Up Spritz, which has like extreme hold, and I'm just going to spray that on there. I like using this because it makes sure like my hair doesn't move at all, even if I don't hold it long or use a blow dryer. This is what one piece looks like by itself. And so now I'm just doing the whole process over again. So I'm measuring how long I need. And then I'm going to cut where I stopped, then add the glue. And now I'm just putting it onto my cap. So you're just going to want to put it exactly where you just measured it at. And if you need to look in another mirror to do this, you can, but I didn't need to because it's very simple, even if it may look a little bit confusing. And then I'm going in with the Pump It Up Spritz once again, just to make sure that my hair is frozen in place, basically. So I did some of it off camera, but I'm basically done with the first bundle. Now I'm just going to go in with the 20-inch bundle, and I'm not going to show everything, but basically I'm just going to do the same thing I just did in the previous one. So just gluing it on and going in with spritz. And now this is the closure. I'm going to just add glue around the edges of the closure like you would normally sew it down, but basically with glue. And when you're done, it should look something like this. Now I'm putting this onto the middle where I want my part. You can add it to the side if you want to, but I'm going to do the middle. And once you place it on there, you're just going to want to tap your hands lightly where the glue is, because you don't want the glue to seep through the lace and then get in your actual hair. That would be horrible because you wouldn't be able to comb it. And once you're done with that glue and padding, just put your hair in a little ponytail or braid it up. I braided mine up because it's kind of hard to put it in a ponytail when it's not all the way secure yet. And then I'm just pinning it up with a little pin. Going in with my 18-inch and just finishing up that little section that's left. And so yeah, it's the same process all over again, you guys. Measuring, gluing, securing, and spritzing, which is my favorite part because I just love the smell of spritz. I don't know why, don't ask. But yeah, that's just what I'm doing. So I'm just gonna let you guys watch. So I'm on the last piece, and it's a very small piece, but it's just a little piece in the back to cover up the little lace that was showing, and then, you know, add a little bit of volume. Now I'm just combing out my hair. There's literally no tangles in this hair, you guys. This is really good. I'm letting down my closure, and I'm just blending it all in. Now I'm taking off my wig, and I'm removing that plastic cap that I put inside. And it's going to be a little hard at first, but I promise it'll come out. Now, as you can see, there's a little gap in between where I put the closure and the bottom of the cap. Cut a little line in that so that you can actually see your skin or your part through the closure. And now you have yourself a wig. And so I'm going to put it back on. I'm just going to comb it out and put it to where I actually want my wig to lay, which is in the middle. And girl, I am feeling myself. Now I'm taking me a little bit of powder concealer, and I'm just going to put that in the middle of my part just to, you know, make it look a little bit natural. The part was very nice, but I honestly wanted it a little bit bigger, and I didn't want to pluck it just because of the way that it's made. I'm taking this Gorilla Snot, and I'm going to be laying my edges, okay? And after these edges are looking bomb, then girl, you are ready to go. I'm in love with this wig. I love the color. I love the texture. It just feels so good. It does not feel synthetic at all. But let me know if you guys want an actual review on this hair after a certain amount of time or anything. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. And I'll see you guys in my next video.